How to set custom ringtone or change the ringtone on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, or any other Samsung device running the latest One UI 7. By default, set the phone ringtone on your device. To change it, go to Setting on your device. Scroll down. Here you can find the sounds and vibration option. Tap on it. Again, here you can see the ringtone option. Tap on it. By default, set the Galaxy Bells your default ringtone on your Samsung device. Here you can see the default available ringtone on your Samsung device. If you want to set the default ringtone, select the any ringtone from the list. If you want to set a custom ringtone or your favorite song or downloaded song, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Tap on plus icon. Now first time you need to allow the permission, so allow it. Here you can find at the bottom tracks, album, artist, folder. In folder you can find the ringtone from your device. So find the ringtone you want to set as a default ringtone and select it. Tap on a done at the top right corner. When you tap on a done, it will find the custom section on your phone ringtone. So just select the ringtone and set at a custom ringtone or a default phone ringtone on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. Please like it, share it.